Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best air mattress repair kit is probably one of the most important accessories for anyone who owns an air mattress, whether you're a seasoned camper, a frequent host of guests, or simply someone who appreciates the convenience of an inflatable bed. This heavy-duty kit will not only save you from a sleepless night but also potentially save you from having to buy a whole new air mattress, ensuring your comfort and convenience are maintained for years to come. Number 5. Airhead Airhead Vinyl Repair Kit. Say goodbye to tears and holes in your vinyl items. This kit makes repairs quick and easy, extending the life of your gear. It's incredibly simple to use. Just peel and stick the patch onto the damaged area for a watertight seal. From tents and awnings to air mattresses and pool liners, it's the ultimate solution for all your vinyl repair needs. You'll receive various sized patches, reinforcement filament, and alcohol prep pads for a complete repair solution. For over 30 years, Airhead has been creating quality products that encourage outdoor fun for the whole family. This kit is no exception. Don't throw away your favorite vinyl items. With Airhead, you can easily repair them and get back to enjoying your activities. What we like? It's incredibly easy to use, simply peel and stick it on. This creates an airtight, watertight seal, perfect for patching up your air mattress quickly and effectively. If you need a fast and simple solution for minor tears, this is the kit for you. What people say. The Airhead Vinyl Repair Kit works wonderfully on inflatable beds. It provides a quick and easy solution for patching up any punctures or tears. The clear patch is durable and blends in seamlessly with the surface, ensuring a neat and effective repair. This product seems to work well. Seems to be holding up well over the last month. Rainstorms, heat and wind aren't affecting it. We used this to repair rodent-created holes in our bonsai bounce house. We first tried the repair patch that came with the bounce house, which did not adhere well. We ended up buying this, which was easily to apply and is working well. Number 4. Repair Tape 30 FTX3. It's a heavy-duty repair tape, highly effective for repairing rips and tears in a variety of materials. Use it on awnings, canvas, tents, and more. This waterproof patch stands up to heat and sun. It creates a watertight seal to protect your items from the elements. It's easy to use and will flex with the material, making quick repairs simple. It's a great addition to any emergency kit. The clear tape is highly versatile and adheres to many surfaces, including tarpaulin, vinyl, upholstery, and leather. It blends seamlessly with the material. As a family-owned American business, we're committed to premium quality and customer satisfaction. We stand behind our products and their ability to provide reliable repairs. What we like? This ultra-durable tape is waterproof and weather-resistant, making it ideal for extensive repairs. Its impressive length allows you to tackle larger tears or multiple small ones. If you need a robust and versatile solution for various outdoor gear, this is the one for you. What people say. Prepped the surface on both sides and applied the repair tape. Went on with no issues. Very sticky, so hope in the long run it will hold up. It's been 3 weeks with wind, weights on awning feet, rain and plenty of Florida sunshine. I taped the rip on both sides and it is holding up perfectly. This tape is awesome, it is extremely sticky and sticks where you put it. I had a 3-corner tear on the corner of my canopy and this fixed the tear and now I don't have to replace my canvas canopy. The tape is flexible as well. Number 3. Pool Above Vinyl Repair Kit. Say goodbye to costly replacements. This kit provides everything you need for a lasting fix. It includes 8 2-inch patches made from durable, waterproof material. They're designed to perfectly match your vinyl's color. These patches are made of 1100 denier polyester canvas, extrusion coated on both sides for superior adhesion and a long-lasting repair. The kit comes with adhesive, an applicator, and 2 thin transparent sheets for smaller repairs. Everything you need is included. Repair your pool liner, inflatable pool, boat, raft, kayak, air mattress, or even vinyl seats. It's perfect for various applications. Just follow the simple instructions and watch our helpful video for the best results. It's recommended for ages 14 and up. Repair your inflatables instead of buying new ones every year. It's a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution. We're proud to make our repair patches right here in California, guaranteeing quality and standing behind our product. We're dedicated to providing the best possible repair solutions for your inflatables. We're here to help if you need us. What we like. These heavy-duty patches are made to last and come with a strong adhesive for a reliable seal. They're perfect for repairing various inflatables and vinyl items. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution for your pool liner or other inflatables, this kit is for you. What people say. The patch got a little loose in one spot and leaked again, but I resealed it and it has held strong ever since. The adhesive is strong, creating a reliable bond that holds up well over time. I've successfully used it on my air mattress. This repair kit worked perfectly. I followed the simple instructions and we dubiously reinflated it. No leaks. A few days later we had several elementary middle school kids over for a pool party. Pretty sure a couple of the kids who used the slide were near the weight limit of 200 pounds. This would be the real test. Unbelievably, the slide is still inflated. No leaks and the repair patch kit held superbly. Number 2. PVC Stitch Repair Kit. Say goodbye to frustrating tears and holes. This heavy-duty kit makes patching up your inflatable items quick and easy. It's perfect for air mattresses, pools, and more. First, clean the damaged area. Then, apply a generous layer of PVC stitch, ensuring complete coverage. Finally, let it dry for 2 to 3 hours for a permanent, waterproof seal. It's not just for air mattresses. This sealant works on a wide variety of materials, from pool liners to inflatable boats. It's water, UV, heat, and cold resistant for long-lasting repairs. From small pinholes to larger tiers, this kit handles it all. Use it on PVC, PU, and even some fabric materials. It's the ultimate all-in-one repair solution. The kit includes a 20 ml tube of sealant and a reinforcing mesh cord. Store it at room temperature for up to 2 years. With its ease of use and lasting durability, it's the perfect solution for keeping your gear in top condition. Get yours today. What we like. This liquid PVC sealant creates a permanent patch, eliminating the need for additional materials. It's a simple, effective solution for various PVC items. If you want a durable, long-lasting repair without extra steps, this is the kit for you. What people say. Patches up the air mattress. No leakage. Works great. We use this to patch a small hole in our airbeds and it really works. The adhesive was easy to apply, and was quickly absorbed through the mesh, wetting the substrate without creating air pockets. It skinned over within a couple minutes without sags or runs. I allowed the repair undisturbed to cure for 24 plus HRS prior to inflating. Much to my surprise, the cured repair feels tough and flexible, is fully fused to the underlying material, and doesn't leak. Impressive. Number 1. 10 Lechen 20 Pack TPU Patch Kit. This kit is perfect for repairing all your inflatable items. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need for a quick and effective repair. Made from high-strength TPU, it's waterproof, heat-resistant, and provides a strong, long-lasting seal. It's also transparent so it blends in seamlessly. It can be used on swimming pools, air mattresses, bounce houses, and so much more. This kit is a must-have for anyone who owns inflatables. Just clean the area, apply the patch, and press firmly. It's that easy to fix those annoying leaks and tears. No special tools are needed. Each patch is 2.7 by 2.7 inches, but you can cut it to fit any size hole. The kit includes 20 patches and 2 deflation tubes for faster deflation. Don't let small punctures ruin your fun. Order yours today and keep your inflatables in top condition. What we like. This kit comes with 20 durable, high-strength TPU patches, making it perfect for multiple repairs. The patches are easy to apply and suitable for a wide range of inflatables. If you need a large quantity of patches for various repairs, this is the best option for you. What people say. They work and they last through horrific environments. The ring dried through and cracked when the wind blew. I cleaned all I could find and patched it. I waited the 4 hours before I blew the ring back up and it lasted until now still. These patches fixed it right up. These patches are incredibly thick and durable, they are extremely high quality. Probably the best patches I have ever seen. Super easy to use. Absolutely impressed with these. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.